I feel bubbles. Oh, excuse me. Whoa! Something came out when I burped.
Greetings, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Aw, look, we have my friend Mr. Teeth here. Why, Marty? Hi. Oh no, it looks like he doesn't have any teeth yet. Oh no, it looks like we need to get him some. Can you guys help us get Mr. Teeth some teeth?
Yeah, I'm so hungry, and I just want ice cream.
All right, don't worry, Mr. Teeth, we gotcha.
Okay, so it looks like we need to get Mr. Teeth his teeth. He has none right now. Oh no! He looks kind of funny, doesn't he? All right, let's get a little bit of Play-Doh. We'll put it in here. How many teeth should we give him? Oh, look, he has one tooth now. There's one. Oh, looks like he has two teeth now. Alrighty. Zim, zam, shabam. All right, how many teeth does Mr. Teeth have now? He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has 8 teeth. Nom, 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 nom. Give me ice cream, give me ice cream. All righty, Mr. Teeth, now hold on. We gotta get you some ice cream. Wonder how we're gonna get ice cream. Oh, I know. Marty, give me some ice cream. Nom, 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 nom.
Alrighty. Zim, zam, shabam.
Ice cream! Nom, 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 nom. Oh, look at all these different kinds of ice cream we have. Let's get our scoop. We have our blue scoop that we're going to scoop some ice cream out with. Oh, and we need a bowl. Yummy, look at all this yummy ice cream. Ooh. Looks like there's chocolate in there. Okay, that's enough. Just let me eat it. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, that was so good. Except I feel bubbles. Oh, excuse me. Whoa! Something came out when I burped. That wasn't nice of me, but look. Oh, look, it's a little popper. Look how cute it is. I want more ice cream. Give me more ice cream. Now, you need to be nice and say please. Okay, may I please have more ice cream? All right, let's get him some more ice cream. Oh, look, there's a pink scoop. This time, let's feed him with our green spoon. All right, open wide. Oh, more. Okay, we'll get you some more. Let's give him the orange scoop now. That was so good. Oh, I got more bubbles. Whoa! It's a zebra. Excuse me. Good job for saying excuse me. We need to have manners. Yeah, but look what happened. Oh, it's another little popper. Looks like it's a zebra popper. Can I have more ice cream, please? Whoa! Did you see that? Our zebra popped. That was so silly. All right, let's give him his last scoop of ice cream. That was so yummy. Thank you guys so much. Oh, but Mr. Teeth, you still have more, I think. I can't eat another bite. I am so full.
Oh, Mr. Teeth, guess what? We don't just have ice cream for you, though.
Oh, really? What else do you have for me?
We have cupcakes. Do you think you have room in your tummy for some cupcakes?
Oh, cupcakes sound so yummy.
Okay, let's get him our cupcakes. Ready? Zoom, Sam, shabam.
Oh, those look so good. Look at all the fun colors. Look at all of these colors that we have. It looks like we have orange and yellow, blue and purple. We have pink and red. Oh, I want the blue one. I want the blue one. That blue one. Okay, here you go. Nom, 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 nom. Ah, my teeth fell out. Ah, my tooth fell out. Oh, no. Too much sugar makes your teeth fall out. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, I lost another tooth. Oh, no. I'm losing my teeth, but it is so good. Let's have some more. Give me the yellow one next. Alrighty, open up. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, I lost another tooth. Ah! Did you brush your teeth? No, but this is so good. I want to keep eating it until all my teeth fall out. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Oh! I'm down to only 3 teeth. Well, here's your teeth. You need to make sure you brush your teeth. Too much sugar is going to make them rot. But this is so good.
Here you go, Mr. Teeth. Let's brush your teeth so all your teeth can grow back. We don't want any more falling out.
All right. Thanks, Marty. Look. All of his teeth came back. You better be careful. You don't want your teeth fall out again. Yeah, that would have been bad. Thanks, Marty.
You're very welcome. Be sure to brush your teeth, kids. Too much sugar will make your teeth rot, but boy, goodness, was that yummy. Thanks, guys, for joining us today. We had so much.
Now let's use our red disc. Look what we got from our red circle. We got Owlette. Hi guys, look at our fun disc drop game we have today. Hi little Earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian. Let's play with this disc drop game. I've done some special magic to it. Zim zam shabam. Ooh, Marty did some magic to our disc drop game. So let's get all of our discs out. There we go. And let's find special surprises. All right, let's start with our yellow disc. Let's see what color it lands in. Green? Ooh, look what we got from our green disc. Ooh, we got Rocky with his grabbers. That's a fun surprise. All right, let's do a blue disc this time. Totally orange, it landed on our orange disc, and we got Zuma, and look, boop. That's a fun orange surprise too. Green Rocky, orange Zuma. Now let's use our red disc. Look what we got from our red circle. We got Owlette. She wears red and has a red cape and her owl ears. Look how red she is. And her legs and arms move around all fun, like, see? Boop. There's Owlette. That one was a really fun prize. All right, let's use our next blue disc. Ooh, look what we got from our purple. We got Everest because she's purple. And she likes to wear turquoise too. She's a fun little pup. Boop. All right, We have 2 more discs. Let's use this red one. Look, we got another red one, and this one's Marshall. Boop, he's red too. All right, here comes our yellow disc. Wow, look what we got from our green one. We got a giant gecko. Look how big he is. There's his little spikes, his cute tail. Look at that. There's his little symbol. That's an awesome little green surprise we got. Okay, let's get all of our discs out. And let's try to get some other colors. Yay, look, we got a blue surprise, and this one's Chase. He loves to wear blue. All right, let's do our next disc. Whoop. This one's red. You didn't see where it landed? Look, it landed way back here behind Gecko in our pink one. Woo! Look, she can sit right up here. Boop. There we go. All right, let's do our next disc. We got another Zuma. That's funny. Look at him. Now we have 2 orange Zumas. Now let's use a blue disc. And there's our last color. It's yellow, and we got rubble. Boop, there we go. Look at all those surprises we got, and look how big Gecko is. All right, little Earthlings, that was really fun finding all of those surprises. But now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Hi guys! Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim zam shabam! Oh look! Here's some videos you can watch! It's going to be super fun!